Hi, I'm Young, and today I have some fancy lighting at the back, and all the lights are coming from Zhiyun. So Zhiyun, you guys know, they are a brand that I love working with, and recently I have introduced you guys to their gimbal. They are a brand that makes awesome, great quality gimbals, and now they're introducing two new lights this month, F100 and M40. Zhiyun Fiveray F100. It is embedded with 5 times more LED chips. And the new updated technology, it improves the lighting control efficiency up to over 90%, and it ensures a stable illuminance that can reach 20,708 lux at its peak. So now I've turned off all the lights except F100. So I want to really show you how powerful this light is, because it will really help you if you want to slow down any video in the dark, then you can do so without the noise, because F100 is super powerful. And that was only with 1% intensity. Before I move on with the review, I want to give you guys a great news. From 7th of December to 9th of December, for 48 hours only, there is buy one get one free promotion in the link down below. So don't forget to click that after watching this review video. Fiveray F100. It is super travel friendly. I mean, of course, it goes in one of these tripods because there is a universal adapter hole. So I can actually just quickly take it out. And this is only 950 grams. So this is definitely carryable when you're shooting videos outdoor, indoor, anywhere that needs some light. So with this light stick, all the control that you need can be done with just a thumb. And everything is portable while you're moving, so it is super duper simple. With just a thumb, you can change the intensity of the light, as well as the color temperature. Everything in a simple movement. And with the right side click and also turning the dial, I can change to 6 special effects. SOS light effect, TV light effect, just an excuse for me to eat on snacks. And some fire effect. It's not warm because it's done with a light stick. Flash effect. Looks like I have some paparazzi there. Faulty bulb. And candlelight effect. Do I look like I'm reading under the candlelight? Well, with all these 6 creative lighting effects, you can keep your filmmaking under your own budget and also making it really safe, because you don't need fire like this. And there are 7 other funky light effects. I am seriously getting one for partying. So that's a lot of fancy lighting there. So in here, compared to the predecessor from Zhiyun, there is 148 RGB chips. So now it is 2 times brighter than its predecessors. In the HSI mode, which stands for hue, saturation, and intensity, you get the full control of all the RGB chips. So you can set the correct mood for any types of photo shooting or filmmaking. And it can all be done continuously. So while there is full range of RGB, red, green, blue, etc., there is of course a huge range of white as well. So you get the corrected color temperature in the CCT mode. And by the way, I've actually taken off the 2 leaf band door. So it was actually going in this direction. So this was the leaf band that I was showing you with, because it really focuses the light on the subject. But you can of course take it off. And within the whole package that comes in this bag, also the grid that can go on the 2 leaf band door, like here. Yep. There is this light diffuser, which actually goes on a little bit like shark cap on the band door. And it really softens the light on your face or on your subject, the model. With the diffuser, light is very soft on the subject. Here I'm showing you the corrected color temperature, and the range is 2700K all the way to 6200K. And I can actually hear a little bit of fan here, because I have been putting on diffuser and had the light on for a long time just now. F100 adopts inventive Dynavolt cooling system. The cooling system, it consists of gyroscope modeling heat sinks and 6 FOC fans to prevent overheating, raising the cooling efficiency to 5 times higher. Now the big question is, how long does this F100 light stick last? F100, it has 6 built-in 2600 mAh batteries, and it ensures 1 hour 4 minutes runtime at 50 watt working hour. And if you reduce to 25 watt, then it will last 2 hours and 10 minutes. And if you reduce all the way down to 10 watt, then it will be still very bright, as I've shown you in the video. It would last 5 hours and 40 minutes. And the great thing about this F100 light is that, of course, it can be charged with Type-C cable. I love it. So I can just use my, mobile phone charger and start charging the light stick. Right now, I'm actually charging it with the power bank here. And you can see in the middle that it shows the light indication that it is currently charging with my external power bank. But if you're someone who needs to charge with different power source, outdoor and so on, then don't worry. In this combo package, there is 120 watt adaptive charging power cable here. So you can get any sort of power source and charge your light stick on the go and just use it continuously while charging. If you guys are seriously interested about getting light stick, then do check out the link down below, especially buy one get one promotion for 7th of December to 9th of December. Do make sure you get the promotion if you want to get light stick. And also don't forget to check out the review on M40, which is super duper portable light and very powerful as well, in the next video. And I'll come back with other interesting review on new tech. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.